Hello everyone, welcome to another Sangoma webinar. Our topic for today's webinar is elevating healthcare communication with Sangoma, how we can improve patient care with our switchbox solution. We have with us today Gurbir Gill, Director Sales Engineering with us to explain the solution. So I'll just welcome him and I'll ask him to start. Hi Gurbir, thank you for joining us. Over to you.
Hi, Isha. Thanks for organizing another good webinar for our customers and partners. Hello, everyone. So today we are going to talk about switchbox or other Sangoma UC solutions for healthcare sector. How we will talk about how Sangoma solutions can improve the patient care services. So today we'll talk about a bit of introduction to our company, our product portfolio. Then we'll talk about what Sangoma does in healthcare sector, what features and applications of our solutions are beneficial in healthcare sector, what kind of infrastructure you can build, what are those products, all the details, and then finally we will have question and answer round towards the end of this webinar. So if you have any questions, you can note it, and we will have specific time towards the end of this webinar. You can ask your questions there. Well, Sangoma is already known to many of you. If you are here first time, Sangoma is a public company. We are trusted leader in cloud communication services for SMBs and distributed enterprises. We have our own in-house development team, and we develop and manage all of our products and services ourselves. That offers us a lot of flexibility and help us to improve and evolve the services to the industry needs. We also tie up with ecosystem partners, particularly subspecialty communication vendors, to offer additional managed services. And with all this bundle of services, our customers, they get flawless cloud communication solution experience, starting from ordering to onboarding, and then to the service, and then support. So everything bundled and managed with single-handedly by Sangoma. When customers use solutions from Sangoma, they have just one vendor to talk to, because we offer all the solutions and services ourselves, starting from the solution, the software, the service, connectivity, services, and maintenance. That makes very convenient for customers to work with Sangoma, buy our solutions, and use our solutions confidently. Sangoma as a company, we are a global company. We are listed on NASDAQ and Toronto Stock Exchange. We have 700 plus staff working globally in many regions. Our engineering and technology teams across US, Canada, Europe, India. We have customers in over 100 countries. We deliver our solution to deliver our solutions globally. We have a huge customer base globally. There are more than 2.7 million unified communication seats deployed by Sangoma. And that talks about our range of services, our customer base. Looking at our financial numbers, we are very healthy company financially. We have revenue of 224 million for the financial year 22 as a revenue. 81% of our revenue is recurring, which is a very stable ongoing income and profit. We have EBITDA margin of 18%, which is very solid. So it's a trustworthy company with very stable solutions and healthy financials. We are recognized by many industry accolades. For example, we are there in Gartner Magic Quadrant for our solutions. We are leader in UCAS by Omodia. We are ranked highest in customer satisfaction by Eastern Management Group. That's about our company as a Sangoma. Now we will talk about benefits of using Sangoma solutions for healthcare. First of all, Sangoma offers very cost-effective solutions. And the aim is that with Sangoma solutions, you can reduce your communication expenses. There is a significant cost saving when you deploy Sangoma versus traditional systems. Whenever you are deploying a new system or you are upgrading your old legacy telephony system to the latest unified communication solution by Sangoma, you can still reuse and recycle many existing components and connectivity, and you can reduce your costs. For example, you can use existing phones or phone lines. We offer devices, adapter devices like gateways that can connect your legacy telephone lines or even systems to your unified communication solution. We also offer SIP trunking in various regions. You can buy SIP services from us, and you can consolidate among multiple locations. You can interconnect connectivity with on-premise systems and our cloud systems as well. So that ways you always keep your communication system update and connected with the latest technology. Sangoma offers very scalable solutions. We have very comprehensive feature integration. Our unified communication solutions can seamlessly integrate with many other applications and health management systems. Additionally, we have desktop and mobile client. We have video conferencing, which is a hosted solution. We have hot desking, automatic reminders, all sort of features to help you scale your solution to with the latest features. Sangoma solutions are very reliable. Sangoma guarantees minimal system downtime. That is the key requirement for healthcare, and you can rely on our stable platforms. for all your critical tasks. Sangoma has automated workflows and enhanced efficiency in our solutions, which reduce a lot of administrative burdens and allow healthcare professionals to focus on the patient care. You can also leverage many automated communication tools with Sangoma Unified Communication Solution. You can seamlessly integrate with electronic medical record system and electronic health record systems for streamlined data access and data exchange between your telephony system and the management system. Sangoma solutions have full compatibility with legacy systems. That helps you to migrate smoothly from legacy systems to the latest UC solution. Additionally, Sangoma solutions support API integration. You can utilize the APIs to have customized information exchange between unified communication solution and third-party healthcare applications and systems for your enhanced functionality and reporting. Sangoma Switchbox solution has many features that can enhance patient experience. When patients they call healthcare center, while the calling experience is great. The features like queues, like automatic reminders, are very helpful. This can actually reduce the no-shows and it can increase the patient punctuality. You can have feedback collection. So with this IVR-based tools, you can take patient feedback and you can improve your service quality and your patient satisfaction. There's a virtual waiting room feature which creates a seamless experience for patients, and they can wait in a virtual room while their appointments and check-ins are done. There is full-fledged IVR tool. You can design any kind of IVR. There is a automatic call distribution, multilingual support to cater to a variety of patients or callers to your healthcare systems. Sangoma solutions, they have security measures built in. Most of the communication channels, they are encrypted. That ensures the safety of patient information and other sensitive data, which is a very critical requirement for healthcare industry. We have access control feature. You can implement role-based access to safeguard patients' records and other confidential information. There is inbuilt threat detection. Proactively, system can detect and prevent any kind of hacking attempt or the data breaches, and that provides additional safety and integrity. Sangoma has integrated video conferencing solution with Switchbox. We call it Sangoma Meet. It is a hosted solution where while using Sangoma Meet, you can consult patients virtually over video conference, and that makes the collaboration very smooth, and it optimizes your healthcare outcome. This also reduces your travel costs, and you can have more um, comfort for your patients being consulted remotely whenever it is possible. Now we are going to talk about Switchbox solution. Switchbox is complete unified communication solution. It is a full-featured IPPX and unified communication platform. The system is designed to handle 1,000 users or up to 1,000 users. You can easily manage it, and you can deploy in your preferred mode. You can deploy it on premise as an appliance. Switchbox is available on virtualized environment as well, and you can have hybrid deployment as well. The feature set remains same across all these platforms. It is the same software basically, capable of running on an appliance, a virtual machine, and a cloud. It's the same web GUI, same way of managing the system. Switchbox is a complete product. It is offered with installation and support. It has mobility feature, it has contact center feature. All the features, they are included in the cost. There are no hidden costs. So all the features that system has, they are included in your cost when you buy Switchbox. The key benefits of using Switchbox are, first of all, it is web-based interface. It is very easy to manage. It supports mobility, communication on the go. It has reporting and analytics. A great tool for contact centers. And there is a SLA-based shared support by Sangoma 24/7 with Switchbox. Switchbox is available, as I said, is available in virtualized environment. You can run it on your Hyper-V, which is Microsoft-based virtualization technology, or VMware. You can also buy cloud-based services from us. We have Switchbox as a service, or we have Switchbox as a cloud, or you can have on-premise deployments. There are three kinds of deployments, small, medium, and large. So we offer virtual disk images for every kind of deployment here. Here are some example benchmarks. So you can run 150 extensions, supporting up to 45 simultaneous calls on 4 virtual CPUs or 4 GB RAM. Or you can have higher resources like 8 GB RAM, 8 virtual CPUs, simultaneous call capacity will be 150 calls, and you can use it up to 600 users. And as you increase the resources, you can go up to 1,000 users with Switchbox. Sangoma offers Switchbox appliances also. So Switchbox E510 is the smallest appliance. It can support up to 150 phones, 50 simultaneous calls. Switchbox E525 appliance supports up to 400 extensions of phones and 100 simultaneous calls. Then we have larger appliances, Switchbox E535 and Switchbox E545, supporting up to 700 and 1,000 calls respectively. As I said, Switchbox comes with all features included. It has has many features available. We have switchboard, which is operator panel, so that any user or any receptionist, they can manage and view all the calls going through the system, all the users, what they're doing, kind of integration with third-party applications. So switchboard is a very useful interface to interact with the unified communication solution. It supports mobility. We have a soft phone that can be installed on your mobile phone and desktop. We have call center features. You can monitor, record, pause or whisper, all kind of features. Those are helpful in call center. You have queues and ACDs. Switchbox has collaboration tools. It comes pre-integrated with the Sangoma Meet. You can start a video conference or collaboration session right from your soft phone. It has conference support. You can have conference rooms, audio conference rooms. There's third-party integration with any applications, for example, Salesforce, Zendesk, many browsers, and other API-based third-party integrations. Switchbox is very easy to administer. We have a very easy and very video-based training and guided tools for administrators and users. We have documentation, structured documentation for Switchbox. There is a pre-recorded video training available. Switchbox has a lot of troubleshooting tools built in, so that you can diagnose and troubleshoot what is going on within the system. And it has easy telephone provisioning features so that you can connect your endpoints seamlessly and easily with your telephony system. Each Switchbox license, which is a per user license, it comes with access to one IP phone, which can be Sangoma phones that supports auto provisioning, and these Sangoma phones are purposefully designed for Switchbox or Sangoma PBXs. They have many integrated features. You can also work with standard SIP phones, but they don't support auto provisioning. We always recommend you to use Sangoma phones. They are much easier to integrate and use with Switchbox. So along with your desk phone, the same extension can also have one mobile soft phone, which is called Sangoma Talk. The same extension can be used across the desk phone and mobile soft phone. Additionally, this user is entitled to use Sangoma Connect, which is our desktop soft phone for your Windows and Mac. Additionally, Sangoma license, especially when you use Switchbox as a cloud service from us, it comes pre-integrated with Sangoma Meet, which is a collaboration tool. Switchbox has a very extensive set of APIs to integrate Switchbox with third-party health management systems for healthcare segment, or for any CRM or any sort of application on the internet or network. They are simple HTTP-based APIs, which can help you to exchange information from Switchbox to external applications or information from external application to Switchbox. There's a vast set of APIs that can be used depending upon what kind of customization or integration you want to achieve. With Switchbox unified communication, a healthcare provider can connect staff and patients in minutes. They can reduce their response time, and they can, at the same time, they can have immediate access to patient data anywhere. On the top of that, UC VoIP can save you up to 70% on your monthly phone costs. So using flexible connectivity, the latest connectivity like SIP trunks, and having a feature-rich unified communication can really help you optimize your performance and productivity. As I said, switchboard, which is operator panel that can, when it gets integrated with third-party health management system, it can allow you to obtain patient data from patient records automatically based on the calling number. And you can also get their electronic medical record immediately as and when you receive the call. Switchbox has call recording feature, which significantly improve patient response and intention. Call recordings are also very important to log the information that can further be used to optimize the service level assurance and the quality, to improve the quality of the agents. Switchbox can be used to connect all sort of users when deployed in a healthcare vertical. You can connect as a healthcare provider by using Switchbox. You can connect to remote patient. You can also connect to elderly patient in assisted care, or you can connect healthcare personals and remote medical staff all together to provide a unified assistance to the patients. Switchbox has multi-site feature. You can deploy Switchbox in peers. The multiple branches, they can connect with each other, and they can share the connectivity, and they can seamlessly dial from one office to another office. You can use single extension across all the branches. That enables staff to travel among offices easy. There is a hot desking feature which enables moving from one site to another site and carrying your extension along with you. There is visual voicemail and email integration that is very useful. Follow me, voicemail, do not bother or do not disturb. There is a lot of call flows possible based on the time conditions, date and time, or time of the day. You can build your own call flows. And then there is a mobile integration that enhances your connectivity while on the go. So your staff can answer the calls on their extensions on their mobile phones using Sangoma Talk. That's very it's a very needed feature there. Mobility and collaboration is the key. Additionally, you can just share a DID number, not your personal number, and you can have all your calls routed to Switchbox extension. It can be your desk phone or it can be your soft phone. Users, the callers, they won't know your personal contact number. You can also provide telehealth services. Sangoma Meet as a video conferencing solution that supports HD video conferencing. Uh, can help you host video meetings with your patients and your staff. And that can save a lot of travel time and costs of patients, and also brings in productivity and savings. Sangoma has Sangoma Phone, which is our desktop soft phone, gets installed on your Windows laptop or desktop, or your Mac based system. Sangoma Talk is our mobile soft phone, which gets installed either on Android or iPhone. And Sangoma Talk is available on App Store, on Apple and Google Play. You can just install it and connect it with your PBX. It can work over Wi-Fi and LTE, 4G. So any kind of as long as your phone has internet connection, you will be connected to your PBX extension all the time. Sangoma Talk supports a lot of phones, all kind of phone models, Androids, Apple, all sort of phones are supported. It uses enhanced push technology for increased reliability on incoming calls, and it also saves a lot of battery performance. Sangoma Talk is very easy to provision and configure. The process is seamless, and administrators, they can just push an email, and the users, they can just open the email, install the app, and app gets easily automatically provisioned. There is a very easy configuration process. It's very secure as well. Switchbox can integrate with third-party solutions. For example, your appointment reminders, your health management systems or appointment management systems. Switchbox, once it gets integrated, can provide appointment reminders. That saves a lot of valuable staff time. The appointment handling becomes very easy. The reminders sent to the patients, they reduce the reminders. They serve, a good tool for patient to be more punctual and arrive on time. So that increases doctors' productivity as well. There are many contact apps so that you can integrate Switchbox with. There's a powerful collaboration features available with Switchbox. Switchbox also supports emergency dialing. So for safety and for preparedness in case of emergency, it's a very reliable solution. You can configure your location, and you can provide, Switchbox can dial out to emergency trunks and provide exact location of the caller, which is very useful in case of emergency. For example, there's 911 or 000, or based on your country, whatever the number is there as an emergency number, Switchbox can provide communication during an emergency. Switchbox allows you to break into speakerphone to communicate with corridors or allow emergency service to have more visibility. You can also address power failures, with a high availability feature. If the school or the hospital then loses a power, standby switchbox system or peer switchbox system can still be available and help staff to communicate. Additionally, PoE connections on room phones. The PoE based phones are not relying on the power sockets. So as long as your switches are connected to UPS, the phones, they remain up. The whole hospital need not to be fully power redundant. And additionally, if the phones and the switches, they have power redundancy or UPS, they will make sure that there is connection available and the phones are up. It's very useful. Sangoma manufactures our own phones. These phones are purposefully designed for our PBXs. They feature zero touch provisioning, automatic provisioning of the phone with Switchbox. You can simply use zero touch provisioning or DHCP, or you can automatically pre-provision these phones and connect to Switchbox on the fly. We have various configurations available in our phones. There are basic models, and there are more executive level phones available with bigger screen. We have TACT for the mobility. We have headsets. So we manufacture the range of endpoints for every need. Some of our phones, they support Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect to any kind of network in the office. The headsets are designed to work with all Sangoma phones and soft phones. So when you're using Sangoma desktop phone or Meet, you can use these headsets along with the soft phone. All these handsets are fully compatible with Sangoma desktop soft phone via USB connection. Finally, Sangoma communication solutions for healthcare is very cost effective. It improves the efficiency of administrative and medical staff with seamless experience. You can also take advantage of modern features with futuristic scalable system. That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, we are here to answer your questions. If you want,
that was an insightful webinar. I'm sorry, go on. Yes.
yeah, I just want to say that if you want to contact us, you can always contact us at apac@sangoma.com, and you can also have your questions answered, or if you have any inquiry for sales, please reach out to us on this email.
Yes, like Gurveer said, you can just write down your question on the chat box. You can see the chat box at the bottom, and we are here to answer your questions. If we are not being able to answer your questions right now, we can reach out to you on our reach out to us on our email ID, and we'll be able to help you. So we are here for next like 1 to 2 minutes. If there are any questions, we are happy to answer.
There's a question, can you please share the pricing? Sure, you can please contact us apac@sangoma.com, and we will share the pricing.
I don't think we have any more questions, so maybe we can wrap up. And if there are any questions, you can directly reach out to us at our email ID. Is that okay, Gurveer?
Yeah, I think that's okay. Thank you so much for the webinar. Thank you joining us today. Um, and we will wait for your any inquiries and questions. Thank you.
Thank you all. See you next time. Thanks.